Hey guys, Jody with Only Have One Life to Live. We're going to look at the 2023 Salem 42 Grand Villa today. This is the 42 view. This is the Salem Forest River Grand Villa. Hey guys, everything you need to know is in the description below. Remember, like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. Thanks so much for watching and viewing these videos. We know that your time is important. And remember, if you subscribe, you get entered automatically into our periodic giveaways. So please hit that subscribe button where we're going to give away local trinkets that we picked up along our travel experiences, and we'll pass them on to you. The 2023 Salem 42 View. Show price $79,999. MSRP $105,131. Let's go inside and have a look. You can step down into the bathroom here. This is pretty different. Washer and dryer in here. Large bathroom with a seat, multiple spray head.
But it's only got one bedroom and there's no closet space.
Huge couch here. It's a loft upstairs.
You can make a closet, I guess, out of the top.
Windows. There's a lot of windows in here. Got a Televator TV. Here around surround sound. A huge island bar here. You can sit about 6 people around that, looks like. 5 to 6. Excuse me, baby. Full-size residential refrigerator.
Yes, like Margarita Villa. This is what you need to buy. Like Margarita Villa. Look here. Up here. Up here. Look at the bedroom down here. Look at this. This is what you need.
We would not do that.
This is what you need to buy.
Fireplace in the bedroom?
Like Margarita Villa. I just tell you.
Okay. Even an adult could probably get up there.
This one we got only like moving like no.
Multiple bed areas up here. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You want to go up there?
No.
Some fabric pull-out drawers here. East-west bed. That's pretty big, isn't it? Is there no closet space? A little fireplace in there, but I would rather have the closet space.
Yeah, me too.
Or the drawer space.
You got a few drawers here. And I guess you can make one of the lofts into a closet.
Yeah. You could definitely customize this thing a little bit. East-west bed. Big bay view area here. You can see all the way out. Lots of windows in here. I hope the AC's good. That's going to let a whole lot of heat in here.
This at least 2,500 RV.
You're fine. Keep on going.
Or I can get her so she wants.
Why is it so tiny back here?
You'll see when you get in there. You'll be surprised.
Yeah. With the loft.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.